Okay, so we've got a strip of 300mm wide membrane, which is a bit of offcut, which we're using. At the moment, I'm just actually just patching up that top. You're going to need to do this on every door or window at some point. What I've done was I cut a piece wide enough to do the depth of, in this case, the panel. But I've fixed this side. Just going to make a few points when we come to fix this, because when you're doing a structural opener of any description, whether it's a door or whether it's a window, the membrane needs to be really quite tight into the corners, because otherwise, when the window or door goes in, it could potentially puncture those corners, because they're normally quite sharp. They're normally clad timber. They've always got sharp corners. And also, there should be a decent gap around the windows, probably 9 to 12 mil, depending on the design. But we want to keep it really tight into that corners. It's very, very easy to do. We've just got to pay a little bit of attention to detail and making sure it's tight. All I did was use a piece of batten or timber. Okay, so what we've done is we've now used a little piece of batten and keep it nice and square and tight into the corners. We need to try and do that. It's usually easier with potentially 2 people. I do it on my own because that's just how I'm used to do it and how I've developed the ways to which I do it. If I can do it on my own, 2 people should be able to do it. Nice and tight in the corners. Now we need to tape those joints. You'll notice that all the fixing points that I've used, I've tried to put on the edge or somewhere where the tape is going to go over the top of the fixings. Because if we don't do that by design or when we actually do the taping of the membrane, we need to cut little squares and put over the top of all the fixing points. We really need to pay particular attention to small details, because one little tiny hole may be insignificant, but you've got 10 small holes, all of a sudden it becomes an issue. So we need to really concentrate, you spend time on your air tightness. And if in doubt, put a piece of tape on.